Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Cheers. A little tomato soup. Just wrapped up Tailgate Thursday and made grilled cheese tomato soup, which is delicious. I'll link the video below if you missed it. Unfortunately, grilled cheese is gone, but I wanted to say, do a quick little update and say that next, there'll be no Tailgate Thursday video next week because it's, well, it's Thanksgiving, so happy early Thanksgiving to everybody. And I will not be doing a Tailgate Thursday. I may get out and film one next week just to maybe have one in the upload bank, so I'll be one ahead. But given the holiday, I'm not gonna upload a video. So I just want to let everyone know that. Also, with Christmas coming up too, I'm probably not going to be doing any uploads on around Christmas or Christmas Eve because, you know, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and Christmas Eve are for families, not really for YouTube. So I like keeping everybody in the loop. Like, oh, what happened? What happened to today's video? It's like, well, it's Thanksgiving, so spend it with your family. That's what the holidays are all about, man. Spending that time with family. Yeah, I'm having trouble putting my soup down. May have to pause and finish, you know. Kind of funny how that worked. As soon as I turn the camera off, here comes a car. So, of course, they're in full stare mode. So, oh, excuse me. So yeah, I just want to give everyone an update. In the meantime, have a happy Thanksgiving, everybody, and I'll catch you on the next one. All right, peace.